welcome back to another one of my videos. My name's Steph. Welcome back if you've seen me before. If you haven't, then welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be finishing off the tie-dyeing that I did a few days ago. I did the tie-dyeing t-shirts. I did say that I was going to use one to advertise my channel and then another one to advertise breast cancer. I'm going to write on this one, I think this one's going to be an advertising one. I'm going to write, obviously this is Steph on the front and subscribe on the back. Hopefully I might get a few more subscribers. If I don't, then never mind. Right, so that is the plan. That's I do have some fabric dyes, all different colours. I'm not sure what colour I'm going to use yet. I do have quite a few different types. I'm not completely sure what colours I'm going to do. I may be the writing in black, maybe with a bit of purple if that's still okay, because that's pearlised, so make it shiny. Let's keep going. I put some brown paper in the middle of my t-shirt just so the fabric paint doesn't go through to the back. Okay, it just protects the t-shirt a little bit. You can use newspaper. Okay, right, I'm going to mark up my t-shirt roughly where I want the writing to be. I've decided I'm going to sort of have it along the middle, then it doesn't go over the flower sections of my tie-dyeing. Okay, do want it to look natural, not too professional. I want it to look sort of, yeah, fun. So it's going to be sort of squirrely writing and a bit of fun, okay? Right. I'm going to mark it first with, I'm hoping this works, I haven't used them for a while. I'm going to mark it with just a fabric pen, okay, which you can get from most crafting places, also places like eBay, Amazon and places like that also sell them. All right. I'm going to start with this is because it will go in the centre of my t-shirt. Okay, so in the middle part here I'm going to write is. Okay, I say is going to be rough. I'm hoping, oh, they do work. Okay, I will be going over them with more fancier fabric dye, but this is just to give me a bit of an outline. Like I said, I don't want it to be too perfect. I want it to look fun, so as long as it sort of fits on the t-shirt or fits where I'd like it to go. If you're doing anything really fancy fabric dyes, I suggest you sort of stretch your t-shirt out, put it on something tight, then you're stretching the material, makes it easier to paint on. Okay, but as I'm only sort of drawing, oh, I'm not drawing, I'm only writing on it, I'm not particularly worried. Right, I have this and now I'm going to see if I can fit in the Steph. I think maybe I should have done it a little bit further down, but like I said, don't really want it to look like professional. It's supposed to be a crafting t-shirt. You know, I want people to know that I've made it. We're going to do the titivating bit. I'm going to use some other fabric paints. I might interpret some of the fabricy pearlized stuff into my circles, and then we should do the subscribe on the back. Okay, like I said, I thought I'd do the writing in black, makes it stand out a little bit more. So I have this dimension fabric paint in glossy. Okay, so I say it's not going to be regimental, it's going to be slightly funky. So I'm just squeezing it on. If you want to use doesn't want to come out now, it's going to be pain. Just sprayed everywhere. Oh my god. Oh, it's just gone all over the t-shirt. Well, I'm going to have to do black dots on my t-shirt too, because this paint's gone all funny. Oh, I like it. It's gone slightly blotchy, which is what I want, but I have got some black blotches, so I might have to put some sprays on it to match me sort of dye stuff. I like it. It's you know, when you do something and it runs, well, it's done that, which makes it look like tie-dyeing again. Okay, and that bit there's not quite right. Oh, funky. But yeah, it's cool. It does look fabric dyed again because it has sort of sprayed out, and I like the kit. Right, now with my paintbrush I'm just going to do a couple of blots like that. Okay, sort of flick it. Okay, because I have got some black splotches on it already. It's not really coming out as much as I thought it had got to, so I am going to start just splodging it on a bit, and hope it sprays like the other one did. I think what I do actually, I'm gonna just put a couple of little bits of black just to match the writing. Okay. Right, just so it sort of blends with the writing a bit. Right, as you can see, I got a bit more carried away. I've decided to go around this is Steph with some of this purple pearlized fabric paints. Okay, just makes it a little bit bold. Also put some of the purple fabric paints into the flowers. Okay, just makes it a little bit more groovy, I would say. Okay, right, I'll be back. Right, I have finished the front, as you can see. I'm going to let that dry and we'll do the back on the next part. Right, thank you all for watching. Hopefully you come back and see part 2 where I finish off the back. Okay, hopefully it will turn out fine. I'm going to say bye for now. Bye, bye, bye. Bye, 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 bye. Thank you for watching. Bye.